Hey guys, I'm Caleb Giddings from Gun Nuts Media, and this is the Revolver Super Test with the Modern Service Revolver. This is a simple course of fire that's shot at 5, 10, and 15 yards. Normally you're supposed to start at 15 and work your way back to 5. I'm starting this at 5 because I forgot. You have a par time of 4 seconds at 5 yards, a par time of 8 seconds at 12 yards, and a par time of 12 seconds at 15 yards, each to fire 6 shots. This is shot on a B8 target. As you can see, I started by showing you guys the clean B8 target. And here we go at 5 yards. All right, easily made that par time at 5 yards. It's a little hard to see the timer thanks to the light, but that's a 3:18. Thanks to the range rules of where I shot it, we're shooting the standard version of the Revolver Super Test, so everything is done from the low or compressed ready. The advanced version is done from the holster. I'm also filming this all as one take and adding this voiceover in post because when you do things like this, I think it's important for people to be able to see that there's no cuts, no edits, no speeding up of the camera or anything like that. We're now moving the target to 10 yards for the next string. And this string will be, again, 6 rounds in 8 seconds. Getting the timer set, getting everything ready. And here we go. Notice how far off the trigger I'm coming in between shots. I'm actually tapping the front of the trigger guard with this. And there's the timer. Easily made that par time. That was slightly under 5 seconds to get those 6 rounds off. I kind of went ham on this one, so
I got a couple of 8s.
Still got pretty good hits, as we'll see at the end. One of the things that I've discovered, having shot the Super Test quite a bit with a regular iron-sighted revolver, is that shooting it with the Modern Service Revolver with the acro is almost like cheating. And we're now setting the target for 15 yards, and we are prepping the gun for the final string. All right, time for the final string of fire. This is 6 rounds with a 12-second par time, which, let me tell you, is a very, very long time, especially at 15 yards. And I had a light primer strike, so I had to come all the way around to get that 6th shot off. It went click, and then I went click, 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 and got that last bang, and I still made the par time. I shot that under 10 seconds, which is, I'm not gonna lie, not bad considering. All right, we're bringing the target back in, and let's take a look at the scores. And the target's back, so I'm gonna turn things over to me.
Unbroken, no cuts. I've got 1, 2, 3 8s. 1, 9. Wait. 1, 2. Yeah, call it. It's hard to tell. Okay, that's 1 bullet hole. So I've got 2 8s, and the rest are all 9s and 10s. I passed.